Shakuntala Devi, Lakshmi Bomb, Dil Bechara, Bhuj, The Big Bull. Get ready for Bollywood blockbusters releasing soon at a TV near you. All you need is subscription and internet connection. Today on Not Just Another Review, आपको बताएंगे about films that are releasing very soon on OTT platforms. Dil Bechara, starring the late Sushant Singh Rajput and Sanjana Sanghi, based on the novel The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. Music is by A.R. Rahman and is surely gonna make you emotional. Dil Bechara, releasing on 24th July on Disney Hotstar. This film will definitely have a special place in your heart. Shakuntala Devi, a biographical film starring Vidya Balan as Shakuntala Devi, the human computer. It also stars Sania Malhotra, Jishu Sen Gupta and Amit Saad. Shakuntala Devi releases on 31st July on Amazon Prime. And here's a question for you. What is 18,544 multiplied by 12,688? Till you figure out the answer, let's move forward with upcoming films. Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, starring Janhvi Kapoor, as the first Indian female Air Force pilot in combat. Netflix acquired the distribution rights for 70 crores and will be streamed for Netflix users on 12th August, 3 days before India's Independence Day. Lakshmi Bomb, a comedy horror film starring Akshay Kumar and Kiara Advani. The film is a remake of Tamil movie Kanchana, a sequence of Tamil film Muni. This film features the song Burj Khalifa shot in Dubai. Lakshmi Bomb will release on Disney Hotstar. Bhuj, The Pride of India, a war action film starring Ajay Devgan, Sanjay Dutt, Sonakshi Sinha, Nora Fateh and Sharad Kelkar. It's a true story during Indo-Pak War of 1971, where 300 local women helped in reconstruction of destroyed air base in Bhuj, Gujarat. Bhuj will release on Disney Hotstar. The Big Bull, a biographical crime film based on India's biggest stockbroker, Harshad Mehta, his life and his financial crimes, spanning for about a decade between 1990 and 2000. The Big Bull stars Abhishek Bachchan, Ileana D'Cruz, Ajay Devgan, Nikita Datta, releasing yet again on Disney Hotstar. That's it for now. As we all eagerly wait for these movies to release at a multiplex near you, I mean a multiplex inside your home, stay safe and stay healthy. Do like and subscribe to our channel, Not Just Another Review. And yes, the answer to the question 18,544 multiplied by 12,688 is 235,286,272. We hope collectively all these films make this kind of money at the box office.